In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a subdomain in a GoDaddy account using the forwarding settings. To get started, open the GoDaddy website in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct account where your domain is managed, because the forwarding settings for your subdomain will only appear there. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account options and all of the products connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the domains and services you currently own, and it's the place where you'll manage your domain settings. After that, find the domain you want to work with and click DNS. This will take you to the DNS management page, where you can control records, redirects, and forwarding settings for that domain. If needed, click DNS again to make sure you are in the full DNS management view. This is important because the forwarding section is located inside the DNS area, not somewhere else in the account dashboard. Now, look for the forwarding section. In this area, you'll see options related to both domains and subdomains. Since this video is about forwarding a subdomain, focus on the subdomain section. Next to subdomain, click Add Forwarding. At this point, you'll be asked to enter the necessary details. You'll need to specify the subdomain you want to forward and the destination URL where you want visitors to be sent. Be careful when entering the destination address so there are no typing mistakes. A small error here can cause the forwarding not to work correctly. Depending on the options GoDaddy shows, you may also see choices for the type of forwarding or whether the redirect is permanent or temporary. Just follow the on-screen settings that match your needs. Once you've entered everything, click Save. After saving, GoDaddy will apply the new forwarding settings to your subdomain. Keep in mind that changes like this may not always work instantly. In some cases, it can take a little time for the update to fully go live, because DNS and forwarding changes may need time to propagate. And that's it. You've successfully set up subdomain forwarding in GoDaddy. If the redirect doesn't seem to work right away, give it some time and then test the subdomain again in your browser. Following these steps carefully will help make sure your forwarding is set up correctly and working as expected.